Hi everyone. Well, I have my privet in the workshop today. I just need to give it a little bit of prune to take the growing tips off and all the flowers. I know it looks nice when the white flowers come on, but it sucks all the energy out of the tree. So it's just going to be a little pruning one. I do need to add wire onto the apex to create a better dome, but I'll wait till later on because I want these to harden off first, because they'll just snap. I've had to stick my white beater top on because it's melting, so if she comes in and starts, she'll get that. Nah, only joking. Let's get into it. Don't judge, it's Bank Holiday Monday. I don't like that one. Here on the tips, I'll be just going back to a few pair of leaves and stuff what's going straight back like that. I'll be coming back to a forward fronting one, and maybe it's the odd big leaf like this one sticking out the side. This new microphone, I sound like Darth Vader on the video. Stop doing that, Ryan, you just fix them scissors. Stop cutting big branches. You little champ. Hey, champ. It was basically just take the direction off so the new leaves come in and fill it out a bit better. Might not look any different when it's done. Oh, you know what, I should get a photo. I'm a twat for that. Right, let's get a photo. Right, back out of these sides. This shouldn't take long, this one. Say this could do a wire on, but I'm not. No, I've got to do a video without wiring. I'm not. When I put this back on the bench, I'll put the weak side facing out on the new bench, and all these will start growing that way. And then I set it up where it's been on the back of the shed here. It was just growing up that way, hence new bench. Oops. Just want to be taking the flowers off, not the branches. Got eyes now. So that's what we're taking off the flowers. We could leave a couple on for decoration, but pointless. It's not going nowhere. Got a few here yet. I need to get the apex right. Get it all pulled down into a nice shape so it doesn't look like a cloud tree. Whew. All this needs to come down, and this will end up in one giant apex eventually. Just need to get all this to grow. So I'm prune back on these for now. I'm going to open the door like. I'm trying to keep the sunlight out of the way for you, but I want to end up melting if I didn't open the door. See, I want all that into there, that into there. All I want to do is take the flowers off the top. And as much as this top I keep, just to pull it down. So by taking these off, it'll create better ramification for us to make a nice little tree. I quite love this tree. I've done everything on this myself, from digging it out from a stump to where it is now, to the carving. So it's one of my favourites. sure there was only 1 or 2 branches on it when I first got it. I'll get some photographs up and I'll put some dates on. Why, there's videos on of this tree anyway, so you'll see the carving happening. Poor little flowers, look good in the show. Shame you're not in the show. Can't help myself, I need to clean it a little bit. It looks a fucking mess. It looks a mess. It's only the back side I need to drop in, so if I prune these tops so it looks half decent. I'm into there, not into there, not into there. So I do need to get a little bit wire on these, but I'm going to let them harden off a bit, because what will happen is when I bend them they'll just snap. So I need to let them harden off before we pull this down into here and create our full apex. And a couple of little suckers at the back there. Get off, you little sucker. I'm still using my shaders and pruning scissors. This branch has a good bit of lichen on it. So I'm just going to give it a little bit of a scrub, just to take it off. It should die off now with it being in full sun. This has happened when it was in front of the shed. That's how warm it is in this bloody shed. It's 27 outside, you can't see because of the sun. So these are the next 2 projects. Like I was saying before the phone went. Scotch pine. Mine is Scotch. We had it up at sale at Scotland for cheap. Don't know why it didn't go, but there was a lot of interest in it. Have my little hawthorn ready. What it needs is some block carving starting in here and on there. Then the branches need pulling down because they're getting too thick. Plenty of holes in the blue pot to pull it down for now, so that's the next 2. That's it for this short video on the privet. Just a little quick pruning, what to expect in a few weeks time when everything hardens off. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks. What glasses are these fuckers? Huh, I better.